Welcome everyone to Krafternoon Live. I am so excited to be your hostix with the most sticks. That's right, hostix with an X, because I go by the name of Mix Crimson Kitty. My pronouns are they, them, their, and I am your them fatale and the cat's meow. I'm just going to explain what we're doing here and why we're doing what we're doing, and then I'm going to go right into crafting. We are representing HMI, also known as the Hedrick Martin Institute. It is the nation's oldest and largest nonprofit. They go with the education, empowerment, and advocacy for our LGTBQIA plus and questioning youth. So, why we're doing this? We have a weekly Wednesday session called Krafternoon. That's where we have some crafts and we just do a stitch and bitch. We come in and we just have a moment with the kids and they really get to express themselves, which I don't really find that they get other places to do that. So it's really become a safe space and like a haven for people. What I'm gonna do is something I already did on my YouTube channel, and I did a part 1. We're gonna do our part 2. What I did was I make flower crowns. This is a flower crown that I made for my Blood Roses act. If you are a Tori Amos fan, you will actually know what I'm talking about. Very dark, gothy, brooding, all red. And it's on a cheap $1 headband. I refuse to pay more than $1. And everything is all the roses that are found at Dollar Tree, because I'm obsessed with hashtag Dollar Tree crafting. And I am working on this. I'm doing a spring fling goddess Persephone moment, all right? So really easy. I'm gonna go through what I did and we're gonna do this together. All you need, a headband, Dollar Tree. Hey, flowers, Dollar Tree. You need a glue gun, Michael's, with the 50% off coupon. Hey, and then just a surface with glue sticks, surface to put your hot glue gun so you don't ruin your gorgeous fabric or your furniture. So I do them in rows. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? I'll do another row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You don't want to see any part of the seams. You don't want to see any part of the headband. You want to make it a crown moment. And then I just finished it up with some roses up on top. And I put these little things, and then I put sparklies on it because I love a good sparkly. All right, can you see me? We're good? I can still see you. I'll make sure everything is positioned. Let me position that a little bit more. It's got this little snake thing. So what we did was we did one row, and I have all of these flowers and I just took them off the stem. So all I got to do is glue them. When you prepare, you craft better. When you organize, you craft better. So I'm going to make sure the ladies aren't popping out while I do this. What I did here is I just did a mixture of pink, lavender, and then over here, this is where your ear is going to be placed. So when I do the fitting, I might actually cut this or eliminate it. I just put this as a placeholder. You don't want to go past this. It's going to be so uncomfortable to wear and you're going to hate your life. So really simple. Already got my glue gun. This is a special little thing that I got at Michael. Look how I use it. It's nasty. Oh my God, I'm terrible. However, you can put your glue gun on it and it's silicone, so it just peels right off. All right, so I'm going to take, I think I want this, and I'm going to do the opposite. I like to do that with colors. So it already has the stem on it. I don't care. All right, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to either put a little bit here, and I'm going to put, show you, just a little, just slather it on, baby. Just don't burn yourself. But if you do, welcome to the club. Everyone does that. All right, I'm telling you, if you're not burning yourself with crafting, are you actually doing crafting? So I'm going to pick another one. I want different variations. I got yellows, I got blues, I got purples. I want it all to be mix match. I like a little bit of chaos in my crafting, you know what I mean? Because I feel like when it's all uniform, which I love symmetry, I am a hashtag symmetry queen, it tends to look boring. So when you shake it up a little bit, you know, you make it a little bit more interesting. And that's what art should be. It should be about collaboration. It should be about, see, I'm just showing you, and I'm putting it out there, and I'm making sure that I do that over here. And we're gonna do this for about 10 minutes before I bring on my next presenter, who, oh my God, the next queen that's coming up. I'm gonna call them all queens because they're queens, you know? Especially all the work that they do. Everyone here, it just blows me away. They're so freaking talented. So I'll just put a little bit here, and then I just decide where I want it. The main part is you don't want to see the seam. So when you're gluing it, I tend to glue it forward. See what I mean? You can't see any of the seams, but you see a little bit up here. So when we do that, this part, we're gonna actually put these up here so it's seamless and it looks really expensive, and you could sell it for $65 on Etsy and nobody fucking knows. You know what I mean? Yes, this is family friendly. I probably shouldn't curse, but hey, they don't call this a stitching bitch for nothing. I gotta get another glue stick. If you want a high temp, it doesn't matter what glue stick or glue gun that you get. Like I said, I get mine at Michael's. I replace this every 6 months or so. It's $5.99. You know I am using a coupon because I am what? Thrifty. If it's a coupon, I am there. That's how you sell me. All right, so I'm just gonna, maybe I'll do another one here. Like I said, you gotta be flexible. You gotta play around with it. And if you hate it and you're like, oh my God, this is the worst piece of art I have like ever made, then guess what? It's hot glue. You just rip it off. Yes, I burned myself, but you know what? It's crafting. That's what happens. All right, I'm just making sure. Can everyone see? I'm just making sure that I look at the screen, and also making sure that I get this for my gorgeous YouTube video. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna leave this here. Lavender is one of my favorite colors, and I also love a gorgeous moment. So I have this. Actually, I'm gonna just remove this and put something smaller. See what I mean? It doesn't matter. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to, you know, produce high-end stuff. If you want to, that's fine, but you're not required to. This is the, you know, beauty of arts and crafts. I want these gorgeous, like, lily-like creatures. Oh, they're creatures. I saw these. I was like, oh, I must have. And Dollar Tree put out all their 4th of July stuff. So I think I'm going to make a 4th of July patriotic, we're all going to hell and dying, but we're going to look cute moment. So I'm probably going to do that next. Come on, Dollar Tree moment. Now, I bought like $25 worth of flowers. I'm going to be honest. I'm not even going to use all that 25. I just went insane. So I'm probably going to do another one. It's so simple, you guys, right? It's just like, honestly, 20 minutes, or if you're binge watching like me and 5 hours passes by, 5 hours, but it all depends on how much you're paying attention and just how much you're being able to do things and how quickly and how little you're becoming distracted, even though, you know, I get distracted quite often. So I'm just putting this here. And now I'm just going in the seams when I do these little guys. I'm making sure to cover everything. I need another one, or I need a little bit more glue here. All right. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I think you got the point, right? You know what I mean? It's just arts and crafts. I didn't like it where I put it. So now I'm gonna put this elsewhere, and I'm probably gonna put it in here. All right, and then let's see if we can, oh, we gotta get these blues in here. I'm really excited about fake flowers, you guys. Really excited. I'm just like, ooh, fake flowers. Ooh, I'm not burning myself today. Famous last words, we all know that. All right, I'm just gonna put a few more flowers on it. Let me look and make sure everything is filled up. She's a little lopsided. We don't like a wonky lash, even though my lashes are like wonky all the time, and I just don't care. Not today though. My lashes are good today. They're staying where they put. And look at that. How long was I doing that for? 10 flipping moments, and you already got a spring fling goddess like moment. So I'm gonna, pray tell, bring this back to my gorgeous face that I spent a really long time doing. That's it. You could do this in 10 minutes, but me, we get a little extra, and it takes me like 5 hours. I am not gonna lie.